In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate e-signatures. Workflows explained. We're going to build a simple workflow that turns form responses into a signed PDF and emails it automatically. You'll use Google Docs for the agreement, Google Forms to collect details and the typed signature, Google Sheets to store submissions, and a free add-on called Autocrat to generate and send the PDFs. Start by creating or uploading your agreement in Google Docs. Keep the layout clean, and leave a signature line or a space where a type name will appear in the final document. Many digital forms rely on a type name as an electronic signature, so make sure the language in your document supports that. If you want the date included, leave space for it, or include it in the form so it can be merged later. Next, set up a Google form to capture the signer's information. Add a full name field and mark it required. Add an email field if you plan to email a copy to the signer. Include an agreement checkbox with clear consent language that states the person agrees to the terms. Finally, add a type full name as e-signature field and make it required. Use clear labels so the signer knows exactly what's expected, and keep the form concise to reduce drop-off. Connect the form to a Google Sheet so responses are captured automatically. In the form, open the Responses tab and choose Link to Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet or link an existing one. This sheet becomes your audit log, complete with timestamps and the exact text the person typed. With the sheet open, install the Autocrat add-on. Go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, search for Autocrat, and install it. Open Autocrat and create a new merge job. Select your Google Docs template, then map each form response, like full name and the typed e-signature, to the correct spots in the document. Set the output to PDF, choose a descriptive file name such as agreement, name, and select a destination folder in Google Drive. Now automate delivery. In your Autocrat job, turn on Run on Form, submit so it fires immediately after each response. In Share via email, select the form's email field as the recipient, write a clear subject and message, and attach the generated PDF. You can also include your own address if you want a copy. That's it. Every time someone submits the form, the system creates a personalized, signed PDF